Hey, what up? Coach Rich Thurman, RT3 here in San Francisco, California, and today we're going to set up for an offset row with the steel mace. I'm going through kind of this warrior progression stance, turning the hips forward because that's the position we actually want to be in. We want to be in more of a high lunge than a actual warrior stance, but we start from that warrior position and we take the hips and we just turn them until they're facing forward. Then we drive that heel back, creating that straight leg, and then we tuck those hips under, create that nice firm solid base to begin to pull from. We create a little bit of a bow in the spine, and then we're just going to draw the mace back, and we're really focused on just single joints. So we're creating tension through the rest of the body so that we can focus on one joint movement. Remember, it's all about the setup, so create that strong base to pull from and then begin your action. All right, I hope this helps. Give it a try. Let me know how it goes in the comments below. Remember to subscribe. For workshops and training, visit CoachRichThurman.com. Follow me on Instagram at Coach_RT3.